Hello, this is Eric. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to install the software. When you open the box, check on the machine. This is the print heads. Find the USB drive. Okay, so in the machine there is a USB drive. This one, the silver USB drive, and this is the MainTop web software. And some friends, their computer does not have a CD-ROM, so in the USB drive there is a MainTop as well. So you can just take this out and go to the computer. Okay, so get the USB drive from the box and put it on the computer. Okay. Then we go to the USB drive, and that's the file inside. You can just right click and extract. It's a zip file, so you have to extract it to a folder. Otherwise, you will not be able to install the softwares. Okay, wait for it to finish. Then you can open the folder. This is the MainTop, and this one is the Print ESP program. So you have to install the MainTop Print ESP. And this one is the ICC profile for the MainTop. Extract it. We will going to use this one. And the MainTop. Okay, so you can just install this one first, the Print ESP. Yes. It says you can select the language, so you just select English. Next. 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 Repair. Next. I accept the terms in the license agreement. Next. Complete. The USB driver is not necessary. So just click OK, finish. Okay, then you will see the Print ESP here. That one. Okay, that's the Print ESP software. And then we go next to install the MainTop, this one. This set up. Yes. To choose the language, that means the English. Okay. Okay. We start later. Just close. And that's the MainTop. There is a blue USB in the MainTop box. You have to plug it on the computer as well. Otherwise, it will give you this warning. It says no dongle. So this is the MainTop, and we have to do the printer setup. Okay. Install custom and find the folder. This one you can see there is a pass in the name. Open. Okay, this one. QCSP 600, and click the set as default printer and OK. So the software had been installed successfully. So this is the MainTop and this is the Print ESP. Okay, so if you still have any questions, please let me know. Thank you.